Hello everyone, I'm Rashmi, and as you must be knowing that today is the third class of this week's Russian. So today I thought to teach you a poem of Russian. So I was awarded for this poem when I was learning Russian. So this is Alexander Pushkin sir's poem, and its name is Petichka. Petichka. Petichka means little bird. Okay? So let's start. В чужбине собьяту наблюдаю, родной обычай старинный. На болью птичку выпускаю при светлом празднике весны. Я стал доступен утешению, за что на Бога мне роптать, когда хач одному творению я мог свободу даровать. This is Petichka. Let me tell you its meaning. So here the writer wants to say that Vachujbine Sabhyatu Nabludayum, that away from my native land, I observe in an admiring way the age-old customs of my native land. Radnoi is native land, okay? The age-old customs of our native land. At the bright festival of spring, there's a festival in which they grant freedom to birds during spring season. So at the bright festival of spring, I grant the little bird its freedom to conserve the act of kindness and solace. Solace means the consolation at the time of distress. So solace is mine now, he's saying. Solace is mine now. So, Zashto na boga mane raptach means why should I complain to God? Why should I murmur? Why should I complain to God? When even I, a captive soul, can give the gift of liberty and let another live. Okay? So, this is Petichka. To summarize this poem, I want to say that the writer wants to say that if we help someone during their time of struggle or distress, or let someone feel bit relief or freedom through their struggle, so if we can make them feel like this, so in turn we get peace and we also get away from our distress and give meaning to our life. So this is the poem which I was awarded for when I was learning Russian. Okay, so moving on to the next topic. So how do we address a young man? If you want to say a young man, that is Maladoy Chelavik. Maladoy Chelavik. Maladoy Chelavik. Chelavik. Maladoy Chelavik. Okay, that is a young man. If you want to address a young man, that is Maladoy Chelavik. Okay. Now, if we want to address a man, like grown up, like elder, so that is, for that a man is Mushina. Mushina. Mushina is if you are referring to a man. Okay. Now, what do we say for a young lady or a miss? For miss, we use Devushka. 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 Devushka means a young lady or a miss. Devushka can go up to till 40s if you want to address a woman in that. So For that also, Devushka can go. Okay. Now, if you want to address an elderly woman, above 50, like that, okay, elderly woman to address, so you should use Jenshina. For elderly woman, it's Jenshina. Jen, she, na. Jen, she, na. Jenshina means elderly woman. Okay. So do memorize it and don't get confused between especially these two. Okay, this is for young lady, miss, and this is for elderly woman. Okay, don't mix these two. Okay, so and I hope that today's poem, you'll memorize it and you have liked it. I think so. So if you like that poem and if you want more videos like that, so tell me, let me know in the comment section that you want more poems in Russian. So okay then, till then, до свидания и до встречи, and we'll meet in the next week. Till then, bye bye.